Okay, so I wrote some things down from that were given about the angle of depression for at the ship was 40 and at the fishing boat it was 55. Okay, and so now I'm going to go solve the problem. All right, and so because I have well, excuse me, we need to know the measure of this angle right here. And if this is 40, this has to be 50. And because I have a right triangle, I can use my sine, cosine, and tangent. From the cliff to the bottom is 150, and what I want to know is from the bottom of the cliff to the ship. And so I'm going to use this angle here of 50. And so do you see that that's going to be adjacent and opposite? So that's going to be tangent. And so I'm going to have the tangent of 50 degrees, and tangent is opposite, which is x, so that's going to be BS all over 150. So the length of BS is equal to 150 times tangent of 50. Now, you need to make sure the first thing you do when after you look at your test is you need to make sure that your calculator is in degree mode both days, okay? And so 150 times tangent of 50, and I get 178.76. Okay, so remember we got to have 3 sig figs, so I'm going to say 179, and it's in meters, correct? Okay, but if I need this number here, I'm going to keep it. All right, so now let's go to another color, because now we're going to go to B, and they want me to find out the length of FS. Okay, so do you see that if I find out what BF is, then I can subtract that from 178. Okay, so now this is my deal here. I have a 55-degree angle, so now my math is going to be tangent of 55 is equal to, now remember, tangent is opposite, which is 150, divided by adjacent, which is my BF. Okay, now hopefully one thing about when you took trig last year from Mrs. Martin, that when you have the variable downstairs, they just switch places. So BF is equal to 150 divided by tangent of 55. Or you can just put it over the fraction and then do cross multiply. So anyway, so 150 divided by tangent of 55, and I get 105.03. Okay, so now let's go to a third color. Let's try purple. To get this right here, which is what they want. So do you see that BS is going to, FS is going to be equal to BS minus BF. So this was 178.76 minus 105.03. 178.76 minus whatever I got from an answer, and I get 73, and again 3 sig figs, 0.7 meters. All right, I hope you find this problem easy, because I think this is an easy problem.